How to fix Yubo swipe. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Yubo swipe on your mobile device. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are facing some problem on your Yubo like swipe problem, what you can do is first update your Yubo application to its latest version. If you have been using outdated Yubo app, you might face some problem with your Yubo application. Now to update your application to its latest version, go to Play Store on your mobile device and search for Yubo. And in this page, if you see update button instead of open, that means that your Yubo application needs to be updated to its latest version. Just tap on update button instead of open in this place and you'll be able to download your update files. And if you don't see any update button instead of open, that means that your Yubo application is already updated to its latest version. So after this step, follow me to the next step. Now what we're going to do is clear cache on our Yubo application so that it will clear up space for our Yubo application to run smoothly. So to do that, go to settings section on your mobile device. And right now I'm on settings section on my phone. Now scroll down to find apps and notifications. Just tap on it and you can search for Yubo on the search icon, which is around at the top right side of the screen, but I'm seeing it on my recently opened apps, so I'm going to tap here. Now tap on the option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache to clear all the temporary files on your Yubo application. So even after doing these two steps, if you're not able to fix your swipe problem on Yubo, what you can do is simply uninstall your Yubo application on your mobile device and reinstall it again. So doing this step fixes so many bugs or problems with your Yubo application. And also try to restart your device, and sometimes restarting your device fixes so many problems with your application or with your phone. So also try to connect to a stable internet connection. So after doing all the steps, I hope that you'll be able to fix swipe problem on Yubo. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.